Hello everyone, this is Rishi George, and here I'm going to discuss about some CMD commands which will be used for our networking. So we'll see the basic commands, and the first one is that ipconfig. So basically ipconfig is used to display all the TCP and IP network configurations. It is also used to display our IP address, subnet mask, and it refreshes our DHCP and DNS, that is the dynamic host configuration protocol, and the domain name system. So we'll see the command in CMD, that is ipconfig. So here we can see the Windows IP configuration, that is the detail about our Ethernet adapter, the wireless LAN adapter, and the wireless LAN adapter for Wi-Fi. So here we have the subnet mask address, the default gateway, and we will go for our next CMD command, that is ipconfig all, which is basically used to show all full TCP and ICP configurations. It will show all the addresses of our Ethernet adapters, all the adapters, the physical interfaces, and we will go for that command too. That is ipconfig slash all. So here we can see the addresses of all the physical interfaces, like the Ethernet adapter, the physical address, the MAC address, and here also the DHCP enabled. It is showing yes, all the details for the wireless LAN adapter and the gateway, the DHCP server, the address, the subnet mask, and we'll go for our next command, that is the ping. So basically ping is uh, the time taken by the message which we send, that is from the host to the destination. So we'll try to ping a website. We will see as example for Google. We'll ping Google, that is ping. So it will take some time, as we can see that the messages are being sent and being received. So you can see here the ping statistics as the packets are sent. So 4 packets are sent and they are received also, and there is 0% loss in this, and it shows the minimum time, that is 104 milliseconds, and the maximum time, the average time, it is for the messages to transfer. The next CMD command is the tracer route, that is a it will help us to show the route, that is the path, and that it will be helping us to measure the transmission delay of the packets across the IP, that is the internet protocol. So we'll see for it also, that is tracer. uh, will trace the route to Google, so it will show something. So it is tracing the route to Google, so it will take some time, as it is showing that over a maximum of 30 hops. So we'll go for until it completes. So we'll go for our next command. See for the next command. So our next command is for NSLOOKUP, that is a networking administration command line, and it will help us for querying the DNS and the DHCP, that is the DNS, that is the domain name systems, to obtain the domain name and the IP address or any mapping, or for our record it is used. So we'll see for it, NSLOOKUP. So it is showing, like, now we'll go for Google. So we can see the server, it is showing as unknown, and the address we can see the IP address and the name, that is the Google, and its address. So we'll now try to look for YouTube. So here also we can see the name and the address, IP address. So we'll check for our previous one. So it is taking some time to trace the route to Google. So we'll go for our next command, that is the netstat. Netstat is basically the its full form is network statistics, and basically it It is used to display the network connection between the incoming and outgoing, that is the routing tables, and the number of network interface statistics. So we'll go for netstat also. So we'll exit from this command and we'll go for netstat. So here are the all the details like the protocol, the local address, the foreign address, the state, all these IP addresses have been established in this, and this will also take some time as it will show all the details for the incoming and outgoing network connections. So next command is for getMAC. Basically this command is used to get all the MAC address, that is the media access control, and the list of network protocols associated with each address, either in each computer, either local or across the network. It will give us the physical MAC address. It is also taking some time, so we'll go for check. The previous one is also taking some time, so we'll discuss about this command, that is the path ping. It is used for design when we are having one or more routers. So it is used to send a series of packet across each router that is in the path of destination. uh, Basically this is used for when we are having more than one or more router exists between the host. So we'll check for it. I can see both our CMD commands are busy. This one is completed. The first one, that is a trace route. So we can see here that is the tracing route to www.google.com. That is the IP address here over a maximum of 30 hops, and it has shown us 15. So it is showing the time, that is the 5 millisecond, 4 milliseconds, and all the IP addresses. Some of them have been timed out, and at last it is showing trace complete. So we'll go for our get MAC, which will show us the MAC address. We'll go for get MAC. So here we can see the physical address, the transport name, and now we'll go for our last CMD command, that is the path ping. Go for path ping. So we'll do for Google path ping. So it is tracing the route to Google over a maximum of 30 hops, same thing. And this one is also completed. This one is our netstat that shows all the incoming and outgoing connections. So you can see here all the connections are being showed here, all the IP addresses, and between the connection, the foreign address, the local address, the state that is being established here. And this one is taking some time to trace the route to google.com, that is the path ping. We are finding the route for more than one routers. So take some time. Yeah, it has started showing the hops, the RTT, the packets sent and received, and that's the address, and it is completed. So we can see it here, the lost and received percentages. The lost percentage is 0, and that's it. Thank you.